Hello everyone. In this video I will show you the installation of StaSteel. First, we open our website. Then we go to the download section. We download the StaSteel program. Click Save. And the download has started. Yes, once our download is complete, we open the setup file and click Run, then Next. Next to begin the installation process. Here, we will install Microsoft applications, and we click Install and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Since these were already installed beforehand, the installation failed message appeared. If it is not on your computer, it will install it. We click on Close. Next. Next. Still run it. Yes, the installation process is continuing smoothly. I am pausing the video from time to time so that we don't waste any precious time. Let's move forward step by step, ensuring everything is done correctly. Let's move forward with confidence. Yes, our program is now successfully installed. Let's open our program to see how it works. Yes, our program has opened successfully. Now, let's explore the features and functionalities of our newly installed program. We will go through each feature one by one to understand how it works and how we can use it effectively. This will help us make the most out of our program and ensure we are utilizing all its capabilities to the fullest. We are in the process of changing our language settings to English. The program will now restart to apply these changes. After the restart, we will click on the button to update to the new version. And updates are being made automatically. We need to wait for these areas to fill up. Yes, the update is complete. Our program has opened. The installation of the StaSteel in the current version is like this. From this section, we can access the documents and review them. Yes, now I will manually show the update for the workshop module and the scaffold module. We go to C. We open the STA4 V14 folder and click on the Scaffold button. When you select and delete the compressed folders and files from here, the program will automatically update itself, or when you click the updater button, it will perform an automatic update and then start the program. The same applies to the workshop module. Here, we again select and delete the compressed files, then run the update program again. This way, you can perform manual updates. Yes. That's all I will cover in this video. I wish everyone good work and success